UFO is seen in China has forced the Chinese airport authorities of Shaoshan to stop all ongoing flights last year on 7th July. The unidentified flying object was detected by a flight group of Chinese airport authorities. The incident was also captured the attention of the Chinese media, and many theories has been laid forward. As per some, it might be a military experiment, whereas for others, this is an incidence of a UFO. Many of you, of course, may think that this might be a hoax or another Photoshop edited footage, but all this consideration has been excluded, and it is believed that the footage is original. Even the aviation administration confirmed to their news channels about the incidents. Here is a raw footage of that incident. Here is the another original footage of the incidents. As per the news, this incident has been an investigation from the last year, but still no progress has been made yet. If you want to be updated with all the mysterious content in the world, then the Monarch is always there for you. So why don't you just subscribe and click the bell icon? Till that time, may the force be with you.